Hey.
Good morning.
Morning. Our first day
It is a brisk 35 degrees.
at FDR. You never know what you find in the woods. Somebody painted this beautiful. Oh, it's not even a rock. Oh, yes, it is a rock. Oh, cute. So let's go that way. So, you can see, the Bowmaster Fitness Center. How cool is that?
Put out.
Oh yeah. Looking cool. Good morning, RoadNotesRV, Marc Leslie. Which way is it?
This way.
You sure? Which way? We're lost already. I would say this looks like
That
a
way,
trail.
that's a drain field.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to go in a drain field. So
Another beautiful day.
Yeah, we're back at you from Pine Mountain, Georgia. We're at, what's it called, this park?
FDR State Park.
FDR State Park, that's right. And we are back on a hike this morning. And I gotta go ask Leslie again. What's the name of this trail?
Can you just take a picture of it?
Yeah, but I forget already.
I think this is like a mountain loop trail.
Mountain Loop Trail.
Something mountain loop trail.
And it's 3.4
3.4.
miles.
Come on.
According to the map. So we'll see. Come on, Zoey. So we'll see where it's taking us. And it's just another beautiful day here. It's April 3rd. And the sun is out. It's going to be low 60s today. Great day for hiking. And we figured we'd take you guys with us. Here we go. Got to really watch where you're going here. Lots and lots of roots and obstacles. And so 3.4 miles may not sound much, but it can take a little longer when you walk slow like that. And of course, you're supposed to have your dog on a leash here, but if you have a dog like Zoey, not that it's an excuse, but she is highly trained on off-leash. She doesn't stray off. She stays on the trail. She turns around every 20 feet or so to make sure we're behind her, so we can comfortably allow her to be off leash. Of course, when we hear people, see people, we put her back on leash just for the comfort of the people. Otherwise, please keep your dogs on a leash.
Trail is a little more muddy in portions. This park is just massive. It's almost 10,000 acres. It's just huge. And one of the issues is if you don't have a car, it's kind of difficult. We have electric bikes and it's still kind of difficult to get from one place to the other. So we're planning out how we're doing these hikes so that we can maximize our time here. Because the trail system, I'll show you a picture of it later on the trail map. It is just unbelievable how large it is. But as you can see, it's quite beautiful. They're having a hidden Easter egg hunt later. And we found one. And there's another one. There's number 3. We might take the prize on this one. just a boy and his dog out in the woods. Zoey has been acting like a complete puppy since we got here. Oh, look, another egg. There's another egg.
Egg alert, egg alert.
Zoey has been running like crazy. Yesterday, she couldn't even move. She got to the point where she was so tired. But today, look at her. She's back at it.
You get on these hikes. How do you bring water? You can bring a backpack or you can be comfortable.
Oh, geez, here we go.
Look at this beautiful little vest, huh?
It looks like he's ready for feeding, doesn't it?
2 cups of water. It's got a thing in the back. I could put food in.
Don't yell.
And
You're scaring the animals.
it can be purchased on our site at
Oh,
RoadNotesRV.com in
geez.
our store.
Get out of here. Pardon that gratuitous plug. He knows not what he does.
No, but it's true. This thing is awesome. It really is good. You don't have to carry anything with you. Comfortable.
Back to the show. All the trees that fall in these storms, they fall into the other trees. This one's got a huge root.
It's like as tall as I am.
Snake alert. That's going to be a snake alert right there.
Yeah, anything is a snake pit.
Ugh. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
Huge tree.
Are you walking?
I'm walking. Until you break an ankle.
Yeah. Right. Gotta be light-footed. With a side of them.
I only give you a 7.5 on the dismount. Crater just goes and goes and goes, and to give you an idea, I'm scooting down and you can see how high it is. And the water just flows. Flows all the way down. Right here, kind of does a split. That's a tree. Broken half. I cut it. So there's the other half. Where it fell. And as you can see, there's still more of that gorge, and the trees just fell right across. Once again, we have to make a decision. We're gonna follow this though. A little mud here and a little narrow space. Lots of tree. dumps. Bat house or whatever it is. Looks like there's some old structure here. Now we're up way above the water. And there's another little birdhouse. Go on, Zoe. That's our camping dog. She's so good. Look at this right here. It's all carved. That little structure that we saw were little structures that were abandoned in World War II. Serious climbing now. Steep descent now. I'm actually out of breath. It's like we're going into some rock formations. As you can see, the ground is getting a lot rockier. And now I came across these huge rock formations. We went from having smooth to complete rockiness now. Everywhere you look.
Oh, come on. You can't use this. Go.
Zoey in the mud. Mud feet.
Here's a rock. Here's a rock. And here's a rock. But you gotta figure it out.
Good girl. And now we're like in the jungle, crossing mud and crazy bridges. We're back at the campground. There we go. And we're back where we started yesterday. There we go. This was a really good trail. It has pretty much everything you can think of. And it was considered one of the less strenuous, which I find interesting.
No,
So
it wasn't that easy. What's the name of it?
I gotta look up the name again.
Oh, whatever. We said here in the movie.
Yeah.
If you're at this campground, that's a great trail.
It is, and it starts right in the campground, which is really nice, so you don't have to take a car anywhere.
And it's a loop, so
Yep.
it's no back and forth. It just takes you around. I think that was a really enjoyable hike.
Zoey gives it 4 paws. Now we have to go clean her up. Well, that concludes this week's video. We hope you enjoyed our little mountain loop trail.
Our what?
Isn't that the mountain loop?
I don't know.
Take 2. Well, we hope you enjoyed this week's video of our antics in Pine Mountain. Next week, we've got a couple more...
Yeah, exactly. That's how I feel sometimes.
Take 3. Well, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. We'll be back next week. And you can find us pretty much everywhere. Well, maybe. I don't know. What are we on these days?
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, our village.
Yeah, all those places. So a like and a thumbs up, spell, subscribe. I don't even.
A thumbs up
A
is the same thing.
Take 5. We hope you enjoyed this week's video. We're having a great time in Pine Mountain, and we really hope that you stick around to see the rest of it. We've got some nice Easter footage coming up and a couple more hikes, and actually the fun doesn't stop. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe, do all those goodies. You can find us on all the social media outlets, and we'll see you next week. Bye.